What's up, Rideshare Hub? This is John from Absolute Rideshare. I've been talking to Dylan about 5 things that rideshare drivers can do to keep more money in their pocket when it comes down to maintenance. I've worked in automobiles for about 6.5 years and been interested in them longer than that. So I work on modified vehicles, we do maintenance and everything in between. But here are some crucial things that you can do to make sure that you're keeping more money in your pocket. Simple things that you could do that you don't necessarily need to pay anyone to do. So let's check them out. The number one thing you can do to keep your vehicle running, especially making sure that there's spark, is by changing your own spark plugs. Most vehicles, this will take less than an hour, and shops charge per the hour. So it's going to simply cost you the parts, which might be 12 bucks. The special tool that you need is really just a spark plug tool that's got a rubber piece in there that will hold the spark plug when coming out. It's as simple as turning things to the left to get them out. Sometimes they're a little more difficult because they've been in there, they might be seized, but the key is to get the vehicle a little bit warm so you can turn it and make it come out easy. Some vehicles, like for example some Ford 3 valves, are a little more prone to breaking in our 2-piece. So do a little research, make sure that you got something that isn't a 2-piece spark plug. I recommend taking that to a place, but you're at least 95 to 100 bucks in labor and $12 in parts, and you can get this tool for $5 and the spark plugs for less than 20. Number 2 to save yourself some big coin is to not use a paper air filter. I would actually recommend using a polycotton air filter, like one from K&N, Air Aid, or anything that is washable and reusable, because these will increase fuel efficiency. You only have to buy one over the lifetime of your car. Anytime you go in and get your oil changed, you see they always check these out to see if it's clean or not, because you should be replacing a paper air filter at least every 10,000 miles so it's not getting clogged. These are reusable, washable. You're never gonna have to buy another one. 1,000,000-mile warranty if you ever even drive your vehicle that long. But these are a game changer. This is an absolute must-have. Be doing some of your own maintenance is to get a jack and a jack stand like I have behind me. You're going to put a lot of miles on. One of my friends started with 70,000 miles and after 2 years has over 200,000 miles. So if you're going to try to keep money in your pocket and keep your tires lasting longer, I would recommend getting these items. So on most vehicles, you're going to see around the 100,000 mile mark, you need to replace your own fuel filter. Fuel filter tools are these little guys right here. They come in multiple different sizes, but it's minimal. It's a little clip that you're going to put on to be able to pull your fuel filter off and replace it. Fuel filters can cost 5, 10, 15, 25, 50 bucks, depending on your vehicle's application. Again, something that you can easily do. So the number 5 thing you can do to keep money in your pocket is by changing your own coolant. It typically goes bad at 100,000 miles. You might put 100 or 200,000 miles on your vehicle being a rideshare driver like we're talking about, but it's as simple as opening the cap up here, finding out where the plug is below, draining it all out, flushing it out completely, refilling it, good to go. It's typically $125 to $150 what most shops will charge you. It's gonna cost you $25 in coolant, and you're gonna have so much more money back in your pocket. If you found any of these tips helpful for you, subscribe to the Rideshare Hub. Give us a huge thumbs up if you're going to be doing your own maintenance and saving yourself some big money. Drop a comment below about any questions you got. Until next time, check out the Rideshare Hub and my channel, Absolute Rideshare.